So continuation with our discussion. Okay, so we have discussed about the solid primitives here. Okay, let's now proceed to Extrude Tool. So I'll just erase all of these objects. I'll just erase. Okay, then let's try to create uh, basic 3D models or 3D objects. So let's add another layer. Let's try extrude, color, okay, and a color. And I'll just use extrude here. Okay, so when using extrude, so let's try to draw a rectangle. Okay, how about the dimensions? Let's say 200 by 300. Enter. Okay, so I have drawn a rectangle here. Now I am going to use extrude. Okay, so extrude tool, select objects. So I'll just select this rectangle, press enter. You can move your mouse cursor up or down for its direction. So I'll just use the upward direction and I'll provide the third dimension or its height. Let's say 200. Okay, this is under realistic view. You can change it to 2D, hidden, and so on. Shades of gray. Okay, so I'll just draw a stripe shaded with gray, edges. Okay, similarly, let's draw a circle. Specify center point of circle. Then I provide the radius, let's say 50. Then use extrude. Select the objects, press and hide the height. Okay, let's say 200. Okay, then I'll press shift, then press hold mouse wheel so that you could orbit it, 3D rotate. Okay, then I'll just go back to the southeast isometric view. Okay, so the limitation of the usage of extrusion is simply you need to create, let's say I'll draw a line tool. Okay, so I'll just provide any measurements. I'll just click anywhere here. Okay, say this one. Okay, so I have drawn a rectangle using line tool. Then once you extrude, okay, these are single entities. Okay, and once I have select the one of its line, then after selecting line or two, let's try 2 lines, then enter, then the extrusion is only a surface. Okay, and I'll provide the height 200. Okay, then as you'll notice, it's just a plain surface. Okay, so the usage of extrusion is a uh, group of lines, probably grouped together. So when you create a rectangle or a rectangle using line, you may need to use you call this polysolid or polyline. Here underline, okay, you need to use polyline. Okay, let's draw a rectangle again. You can provide your own measurements. So I'll just click here in the drawing area. Let's say that is a rectangle. Okay, then this is a polysolid. Once I select it, it will be selected as a group similar to a rectangle. Then I can use extrude to select the object, press, and then you provide the height. Okay, let's say 200. Okay, and then that is similar to the uh, creation of extrusion using a rectangle, similar to this one. Okay, so be careful when using the extrude tool. Okay,